All right, guys, I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and behind me is the brand new 2025-27 GHBL. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so we're on the front of this 27 GH, and one thing you're going to notice, it really stands out, is how big this front glass is. Now, one thing really cool is that this is the kitchen on the other side of this window. So, you know, when you're making those meals or, you know, you're just sitting in the kitchen, maybe at the dinette, being able to look out the front of your camper at those beautiful campsites you're going to be in, really nice with this camper. You can do that, and it looks really sweet too, right? So one thing you also get is an electric tongue jack. You get dual propane tanks right in front of your battery tray. Really nice, clean looking front cap on this guy. Let's check out the camping side. So we're coming down the camping side of this 27 GH, and one thing you're going to see is a little storage box in the front, but don't feel bad about that storage box because this is just one on this side, and it's the smallest, so we'll see in just a second. But really nice place, you know, to throw a little few things in there. I like that they utilize it. This is under the cabinetry in your kitchen, so they utilize that space and gave you a little outdoor storage here for you. Of course, you get the furnace, of course. You get a really nice awning. Now, the awning does have an LED light underneath it. You know, it wouldn't be a Cherokee if it didn't have LEDs. You're going to see two entry doors on this side, which both of them are the glass with the Cherokee written in them. We're going to have an outdoor kitchen in this model, which is really nice. It comes with a gray stone. You can get the grill top for that as well. Little utility drawer on that side with a wind guard. Get an electric refrigerator, ice maker, and then you get that hot and cold outside shower on this side. We might be able to see one on the other side as well, but really nice that they give you all this kind of in this little area. It's a nice outdoor kitchen. Of course, you get your cable to your TV, you get your plug-ins, TV hookups, TV wall mount for your TV. This is a black tank flush, which is really nice. Everybody that knows about black tank flushes know how nice they are. Being able to clean out that black tank, 360 jet valve in there, it's going to clean that out for you. Really nice feature. So also they're going to give you a secondary back door, which is really nice because this goes straight into your bedroom. So being able to go into the bedroom and not have to go all the way through the camper to do so, you can do that. Also, the bathroom's off the bedroom, so going in and out, you know, it makes life a little bit easier having those two doors. And then I told you that you're going to have a bigger storage. Now look how big this storage box is back here, and it's still on the camping site. So anything we want to put in here, your tents, your chairs, everything's going to fit in this big back storage box back here. And then this is that griddle top. I told you we had a griddle top for that grill. That's what that is there. So whether you're going to grill a steak or if you want to cook the bacon and eggs out on the grill, you've got a griddle or a grill, you can do it all. So we're on the off-door side of the camper, and you're going to see it does have that tankless hot water heater. Everybody's kind of wanting to upgrade to the tankless hot water heaters. This Cherokee goes ahead and puts that on there for you. You get a really big slide, guys. So this is a real big living room slide for you on this guy. Big slide. And then of course you get your black and gray tank drop here with a LED work light above it. This is where your cable hooks up. If you're at that campground that offers you park cable, you can enter that in here and watch it on the inside. And then I told you got another outside shower over here, so another outside hot and cold shower right below your water hookups, city water, and your gravity fill for that fresh water tank there. Plug up's going to be on the back side of this unit, which I like. I like the plug ups being on the back that way because most time power's back here anyways. Gives you the ability to really utilize that cord and not have to string it all the way across your campsite just to plug up the power. And then on the back side, of course, you're going to see that they give you a luggage rack. Luggage rack has a 200-pound weight limit going down the road, so carrying a little extra with you isn't a problem in this guy. They do prep you for the Lippert on-the-go ladder. So if you want to buy that telescopic ladder, pull that straight down to the ground, and then easily climb up your onto your roof of this camper. Everybody's kind of liking the prep work for that. Makes hooking that ladder up really easy. That ladder compacts down to a small space for you as well. So really nice back end on this Forest River. Let's check out the inside. All right, guys, so coming in to the inside of this 27 GH. So one thing you're going to see is your controls right here on the side, easily able to turn the lights on and off. It has nice blue lights in here. Those are on your auxiliary. The convenience light turns your whites on outside, main lights, overheads. Really nice awning lights, your awning controls, your slide in and out controls. You do have a radio on this model, which not every camper is putting radios on them anymore. Cherokee still does that for you. That's able to do AM, FM, Bluetooth, the whole 9 yards on that guy. And then, of course, the battery voltage readout for you there as well. So really nice panel coming in into this camper. Now, directly across from me on this side is your thermostat for your AC and your heat. Coming in here and being able to adjust that up and down really quick on the fly is really nice as well. And also too, this is a nice location because there's a lot of times when that slides in and you forgot to turn the air off and you got to get back in and open the slide up because it's behind the slide or whatever. And not in this model. In here you can do it right inside the door, and I do like that. Now coming to the front, you got this big kitchen, and one thing I like about a camper is the kitchen, right? So if you're going to be inside, you got to have nice amenities, and this is one of them. And I told you that big front window, really nice to be able to look out that guy. Get a little side window here too. This L-shaped countertop, plenty of counter space in this kitchen. You get a 3-burner stovetop in this. Now one thing, and you can see the sign there, one thing that Cherokee started doing is they've started eliminating the gas ovens, and they started giving you microwaves that have built-in air fryers and grills in that, so like a roast, so you can do all kinds of different things with that, whether you're baking potatoes or air frying the kids pizza rolls. You can do that in that microwave with ease, so you don't have to worry about a gas oven anymore. I love that feature. Really, everybody's air frying nowadays. You get a really nice sink. The sink does have that glass cleaner built in and the soap pump. You get a vegetable strainer, sud sink. You get a drying rack and a cutting board. So really nice. And underneath all that is a farmhouse style sink, open sink. Everybody likes the farmhouse style sinks. I like this sink setup. And then you can see all the cabinetry in this. So we have plenty of storage, big box storage on just the off of the countertop in here. Plenty of plug ups, so you get 3 plug-ins going around the kitchen as well. So whether you're plugging up a coffee maker or those extra appliances that we're bringing with us, you've got lots of options there. All of your lights underneath the counter are push buttons, so you can have one on or none. I like that, or all of them at the same time. You get a light and a fan above your stove, and that does truly vent to the outside for you. Big cabinetry up here, a little side box for you too, and a little storage up here. I really like this kitchen. There's lots of storage, really clean look to it. I really like it. Now let's check out the dinette. All right, guys, so in your slide is the dinette and a couch, which is really nice. This big dinette and couch will slide out for you. Which is, gives you optimum space in here. Plus this dinette will go down, the table goes down to your framework here, becomes another bed for you. So if you need a kid's bed or whatever, you've got a nice one in here in this dinette. And then this is a jackknife sofa. This will actually make a bed for you too. Just a quick flip up this guy, and we can lay this down as well. So it gives you another bed for you as well if you need that, which is really nice. Now all of this is right across from the awesome storage and TV entertainment center here. So you can see you get an electric fireplace right below where your TV hooks up, mounts to the wall. But that ain't what's nice. This thing has storage for days, guys. So behind this, of course, is a big pantry, if you want to call it that, or just extra storage space for you. You can see that's where your TV cable hooks up and your plug up behind the TV there. You get an extra outlet that way. So if you want to plug something up back there behind, maybe put a DVD player in, you have plenty of space to do anything electronic wise back there for you. I really like this space, and I like this latch too. It's a really nice beefy latch and easy. You get a 12-volt refrigerator. Of course, we have solar on this camper, so that 100 watts of solar is going to help keep this refrigerator going down the road. You're not going to have to worry about running your refrigerator on propane anymore. That's the things everybody likes about these 12-volt fridges. Let's check out the back end, guys. All right, guys, so we're in the bathroom before the bedroom in the back. And one thing really nice about this bathroom is, of course, you get the corner shower, all right? And it's because it's a black label, it's got the really upgraded, you get front spray, wand spray, and overhead rain shower in here for you. So a really nice shower. I like that. You get a pretty good sized vanity. I like these raised sinks because you get a little bit bigger sink that way in a tighter space. So really nice sink. Your hot water heater controls are here, your light switch, and of course your GFCI plug up here. I like that the toilet's in the corner. I like that it's angled because when you're a bigger guy like me, you need a little bit more leg room. Being on an angled toilet like that gives you optimum space around it to do your business. So I like all that too. But one thing really nice is you get the Jack and Jill door. So it's kind of a pass through as well. It's not your only way to the bedroom, but I like that you can get to the bedroom on both directions. So when you come on through, you're in the bedroom, and I like that too. So let's check out this bedroom. So we're actually in the back of the camper, which you can see is the bedroom. And I like the bedroom being in the back. One reason I like the bedroom being in the back is that you get a queen size bed in here. All right. You get big closets on both sides of the bed with hinged overhead cabinet space. You can see they've got those lights on the wall there for you. You're reading lights in there, push button lights. Over here on the other side, we've got a plug up that also duals as an inverter, 150 watt inverter for you. So if you are doing that off-grid camping, we can still charge and plug stuff up running off the battery in here as well, which is nice. And then on this side, of course, you get regular plug up and you get those 12-volt USBs in here as well. Really nice bedroom, and like I said, this is your exterior door going out, so easy to come straight into the bedroom, go straight into the bathroom if you want. Really makes camping in this thing really easy, having this back bedroom like this, and I really like it. It looks really good. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this 27 GHBL, then, give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online. We're not like those big corporate guys. We're a family-owned dealership, and we'd like to make you part of the family. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.